Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'll just be outlining what I'm expecting pre-NFP, okay? So right here on the daily chart we have clean levels, so clean, okay? We have the buy stops taken here, shifted lower. Right now we are looking at a CB forming. Within this CB we have the breaker, and we have the bearish order blocks right here as well. So this is like a almost perfect setup for a short into this consolidations low. Okay, right here the gray lines, this is the 1 week weekly volume imbalance right here. Okay, and right now since it has taken out these 3 sell stops, I'm looking at a fill of this BC right here. So if this is left unfilled prior to NFP, I think it's gonna punch into this area. Okay, and how far can it go? I have no idea. Right, it's manual intervention, so I'll be looking at this volume imbalance range and probably this bullish order block right here. Okay, so if everything goes well, I think we can see some sort of reversal into the consequent encroachment of this week, or maybe even the low of this week. Okay, I'm just going to mark these 2 levels out. Alright, and I think right around here it's the 4 hours breaker. Okay, I'll just show it to you later, but so I'll not be marking this on my daily chart. Okay, so heading into the 4 hours, we have the breaker right here. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come up into this area and reject lower. That is what I'm anticipating for tomorrow only. Okay, I'm not speaking for next week because next week we have CPI. So during CPI, I think we would have a large range day. So that kind of days and that kind of manipulation, I think it's very possible for price to reach into the daily levels. Therefore, this 4 breaker, 1 hour breaker, I don't regard them next week. Okay, this is just for reference for today non-farm payrolls. Okay, so this is a 4 hours breaker and we have the mean threshold as well, and within that we have the 1 hour CB. Okay, 1 hour CB right here, and this 1 hour CB is also within, it's also coincides with that 1 hour breaker right here. So I think this is a very highly sensitive area. So based on these levels, 1924, just slightly above the weekend opening gap, new week's opening gap right here. So we could tap into this area and then we break down again. Okay, right now we are trading somewhere around, somewhere in between the new week opening gaps. So I assume that price is gonna come back up into this area again for non-farm payrolls. Okay, and which would be this area, right? So for DXY, what I would love to see, it's pretty simple. Okay, so DXY, I would love to see this gap filled, right? So I'm expecting sponsorship right here. Okay, if these lows are broken, then I think it's gonna take out, it's gonna trade back into this area. That's what I'm thinking, because it has already took out the buy stops. Okay, but preferably I would like to see some rejection here and higher dollar for tomorrow and heading into next week. Okay, right now it's in consolidation within this BC right here. Okay, reasonable. Okay, and I think that's it for this video, just a quick one, and I'll see you guys again. The next video would be the weekly forecast, and have fun.